Hey.
Did your chin catch Dutch fur disease?
Fuck you.
What's it been? Like a year now, hasn't it?
2.
Do you want a drink?
No, I'm not fit on the head.
What? You quit? Like, fully quit?
9 months, 3 weeks, 2 days.
Oh, well done. That's great. Well, you picked a terrible place to come and see me because it reeks of hops all the way down the street outside here. Did you notice that?
No.
Rob, I hope you're not here to talk...
It's about that, yeah. I've been thinking about it again that night.
Rob,
I can't not think about it.
you said we'd put it out of our minds, weren't we just going to try and keep it out?
I can't, I'm sorry.
It was a long time ago.
Well, in here, it's now.
Where is your father?
Dead.
How did he die?
Drunk.
Where is your mother? Where is your mother?
Looney bin.
Is she a psychotic?
Yes.
What is the name of your aunt?
Bertha.
How did you come to have sex with Aunt Bertha?
I was drunk and she looked good.
And you did it again and again?
Yes.
Have you ever had bad thoughts about the masturbation?
Yes.
What did you think?
I thought you were fools.
Am I a fool to you?
No, sir. No.
If you were locked in a room for the rest of your life, who would be there with you?
Doris.
Who is Doris?
Best girl I ever met. I'm gonna marry her.
Is she in Lynn?
Yes.
Lynn, Massachusetts?
Yes.
Why aren't you with her?
I'm an idiot.
Why aren't you with that lovely girl?
I'm a fool. I have no excuse.
Do you love Doris?
Yes.
Is she the love of your life?
Yes.
Why aren't you with her?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Tell me, why are you not with the love of your life?
I told her I'll get back to her and I haven't got back. I need to get back to her.
Why don't you go back?
I don't know.
Why don't you go back?
I don't know.
Close your eyes.
Let's play Who Killed Kim Jong-un?
Please don't.
Great. Okay, let's do it. I'm Kim Jong, okay? Who killed Kim Jong-un?
Who Killed Kim Jong-un is a brand new warm-up game. I made it myself.
It's like Who Killed King Jong, but for the modern intellectual actor.
I didn't do it!
Then who killed Kim Jong?
Kim Jong, Kim Jong.
I knew it. Who are you? Who are you working for? Who are you working for?
Who Killed Kim Jong is already a classic. Gets the blood pumping.
Who else is in on it? Is it you? Is it you? I can see it in your eyes. Is it you? Why did you do it?
I just promised Leonardo that I'm making this really great dinner.
Yeah, you know, it's really good it worked out between you and Leonardo. No, really, because I'm the one who got you together.
Yeah, I mean, he's nice.
Sexy, I think you told Sally.
Look, and this is the wine talking. He's not the most soulful character. I mean, he's not a sufferer.
What's so great about suffering?
Well, there's something attractive about a man that's sensitive to the agonies of existence.
Hey, you know, you would be perfect to play Miss Julie in the Stringbird play.
I can't believe you'd say that. I mean, Miss Julie is a role that I was born to play. She is me. How could you know that?